In this lesson, we are going to be using decomposing to add. This is a mental math strategy that many people use, and you probably already do it without even knowing it. So there's a couple things that we need to know before we start doing this. We need to know what our friendly numbers are. I'm going to mention friendly numbers a lot. In this case, we are referring to our decade numbers, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we want to get to those because it's easier to add that way. So if I am doing 35 plus 7, I want to get that 35 to a friendly number. Remember what I just said, that our friendly numbers are our decade numbers. Well, where am I going to take to get that 35 to a friendly number? I'm going to take from the 7. What I'm doing right now by breaking up this 7 is I'm decomposing the 7. So I'm using decomposing to add. So if I'm at 35, what is another concept we're going to talk about are friends of 10. I'm at a 5. What friend goes with 5 to make 10? What will help me get to that next decade number? If you said 5, you are correct because 5 and 5 are friends of 10. So I just took that 5 out of that 7. So that 7's gone now. But how much do I have left? How many do I have left after taking 5 out? I'm going to cross off the 7 because he's gone. Now I have 5 and... if you said 2, you are correct. 7 is made up of 5 and 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show that 35 and 5 go together. I'm going to circle it. And what friendly number were we trying to get to? Oh, you're right, 40. So we were trying to get to 40. How much do I have left? Now, the reason why I have people cross this off is because some people would go back and say, well, I have 7. No. You took the 5 out of the 7, so that 7's gone. I only have 2 left from that. So my problem's going to be 40 plus 2. From expanded form, remember when we worked on expanded form before, now we're going to push it together. 40 and 2 makes 42. Okay? So this is something I do mentally in my head, and most of you probably do. Your parents probably do. But this is just a way to write it out so that we can see it. Let's do another one. Let's do 47 plus 6. What does that equal? Well, I want to get this 47 to a friendly number. That friendly number, if I'm in my 40s and I'm at 47, my next friendly number would be 50. Okay? So I'm at 47. So I'm going to look at the 7. What is friends with 7 to make 10? 7 and what are friends of 10? If you said 3, you are correct. Okay, so now I took from the 6. Now I'm breaking up the 6. So the 6 is going to be gone. But I took 3 out. How many do I have left after taking 3 out? I have 3. Okay? So we had the 47 and 3 that we were going to combine to make the, what was that again? 50. Plus what's left? We have 3 left. So if I take 50 and 3 and I combine 50 and 3, 50 and 3 makes 53. I'm just putting that the ones into that 0 right there. 50 and 3 makes 53. Okay, let's do 58 plus 5. Okay, so I'm at 58. What is my next friendly number if I'm at 58? If you said 60, you were correct. Okay, now I'm at 8. And I need my friend with 8 in order to get to 60. Which is the next 10. So 8 and what are friends of 10? 8 and 2 are friends of 10. I just took 2 out of the 5, so how much am I going to have left? I will have 3 left. So I need to show that I'm combining that 58 and 2. 58 and 2 makes 60. And how many do I have left? Plus 3. 60 and 3 makes 63. Okay, one more. Let's do 26 plus 9. Okay, so if I'm at 26 and I need to get to my next decade, that next decade is going to be the 30, which is my friendly number. So I know that I'm at 6. What is friends with 6 to get to that next 10? 6 and what are friends of 10? If you said 4, you are correct. 6 and 4 are friends of 10, so that'll help me get to that next decade. Well, I just took 4 out of this 9. So if I took 4 out of that 9, what do I have left? I have 5 left. So I'm going to show that I'm combining my 26 and 4, which gets me to 30. And I have 5 left. 30 and 5 makes 35. Okay, so that's decomposing to add with 2 digits plus 1 digit.